You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Greek mythology and plant names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from the English pronunciation. Here is as Hebe. This is a group of plants originating from the Pacific, New Zealand, Polynesia. Hebe, it's also a goddess in Greek mythology. Hebe, English pronunciation, how to pronounce Hebe. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.